Cooking more meals at home is a great way to save money and improve your health. Research shows that cooking just one more meal at home each week can significantly reduce your risk of many chronic diseases, including diabetes and heart disease.
One of the best ways to ensure this success is to have a well-stocked kitchen.
Leah, what are some of your favorite ingredients to have on hand?
Olive oil, vinegars such as rice wine vinegar and balsamic, a variety of canned beans and canned tomatoes, whole grains such as brown rice and barley, pasta, small amounts of key spices such as garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, red pepper flakes, and Italian seasoning. Some frozen fruits and vegetables we'd recommend stocking up whenever they're on sale. A small block of Parmesan cheese that can be grated sparingly. Fresh ingredients, garlic, onions, carrots, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. As you run out of these staple items, keep a running grocery list on the fridge or use an app such as Wunderlist. A perfect example of a fast, yummy, and budget-friendly meal you can create with these basics would be pasta fagioli. You can make this healthy dish even healthier by adding beans and seasonal greens such as kale, collards, or Swiss chard.
The beans are high in protein, the greens are rich in folic acid, and fresh herbs are tremendous antioxidants.
Here is how it all comes together.